In this tutorial, we will see how we can calculate NDVI in QGIS. We have loaded a Sentinel-2 image. This is the formula for calculation of NDVI. To calculate NDVI, we need to use near infrared minus red divided by near infrared plus red. For calculation of NDVI of Sentinel-2 image, we know that band 8 is near infrared and band 4 is red band. So we need to subtract band 4 from band 8 divided by band 8 plus band 4. Now in QGIS, go to raster and then raster calculator. We have 8 bands. Here we need to write the formula. First, let's use a first bracket and then band 8 minus band 4 bracket close divided by, and again bracket, band 8 plus band 4 and bracket close. So our formula is completed. Let's create on the fly raster, then we can save it. We can use the extent of our main image, that is Sentinel-2 clip already selected, and you can select the output coordinate reference system if you want. And if you want to use any compression, you can use low, high or JPEG compression. Now you will not use any compression. Let's click OK. Our NDVI image is ready. The value of NDVI ranges from -1 to 1. Let's export this, save as. Let's name it NDVI and save. Okay. Now our image is exported. Let's remove this one. Now if we want, we can change the symbology. Go to properties and then symbology. Let's select single band pseudo color and then let's create a new color ramp, gradient. Okay. Now for the first one we use the blue, and for the another part we use green. Let's click OK and apply. Okay. Now we can see our NDVI image is visualized with colors. Thanks for watching.